So when we talk about foreign trade and integration of markets, okay, foreign trade when we are trading with the other countries, right, and integration of markets. When we talk about integration of markets, that is interlinking of markets, coming together, सारे markets, सारा world जो है अब connected हो रहा है, एक हो रहा है, okay, integrated markets. That is what we are going to understand. So creates an opportunity for the producer to reach outside the domestic market. And because of this foreign trade, what is happening is the producers are those people who manufacture things, जो चीजें बनाते हैं, they are getting opportunity, उनको फायदा मिल रहा है to reach outside the domestic market. Domestic market is your country. तो आज आपको फायदा मिल रहा है because of this foreign trade. आप दूसरे देश में भी जाके बेच सकते हैं because the market is open, the world is welcoming. आइए हमारे यहाँ पे ट्रेड कीजिए, हमारे यहाँ पे व्यापार कीजिए. So because of this, what is happening is the producers are getting advantage, right? Next, producers can sell their goods all over the world. और इसके वजह से वो जहां चाहिए मर्जी पड़े वहां पर अपनी चीजें बेच सकते हैं, ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, and they can earn more profit. Okay, buyers have a wide range of choice of goods beyond what is domestically produced, and the buyers, for example, we people, हमें आज बहुत फायदा हो रहा है क्योंकि आज हमें क्या मिल रहा है, अच्छी क्वालिटी की चीजें, अच्छे ब्रांडेड चीजें मिल रही हैं जो अवेलेबल नहीं थी पहले. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ग्लोबलाइजेशन, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ मार्केट्स, इट इज बीन एबल फॉर अस टू बाय. हमारे लिए आराम से वो चीजें अवेलेबल हो पा रही है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग. I will just give you example. Apple iPhone हमारे इंडिया का नहीं है, but we can buy it. Samsung mobiles, okay? We can take Audi, we can take BMW, Mercedes. All this is available in our country. And how it is possible today? Because of this all things only. Okay? इसके वजह से ये easy हो चुका है. Buyers को भी benefit मिलने लगा है. And their standard of living has increased, improved. Okay? We have a case story here, okay, of Chinese toys. When we talk about this interlinking of market, okay, we can see here, okay, Chinese toys in India, page number 60. We have the case story. Page number 60 पे ये case story हमारी है. यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर we can see Chinese toys in India. What is happening is Indian people have the option of choosing between Indian and the Chinese toys. Through this we are understanding, okay. So people's choice choose Chinese toys because it is cheaper with new design. एक तो चाइना के टॉयज चीप कॉस्ट में आते हैं और वो कम पैसे में भी आपको मिल रहे हैं. तो इससे क्या होगा, इंडियन नाउ टॉयज आर अवेलेबल इन इंडियन मार्केट्स एट लोअर प्राइसेस. जो चाइना के टॉयज है लोअर प्राइसेस में अवेलेबल है. एंड इंडियन शॉप्स हैव रिप्लेस्ड इंडियन टॉयज विद द चाइनीज टॉयज. जो इंडिया के हमारे बिजनेसमैन हैं जो टॉयज बना रहे हैं, अगर हम देखें उनके टॉयज और चाइना के टॉयज, तो सबसे ज्यादा फायदा शॉपकीपर्स को किससे मिल रहा है, चाइनीज टॉयज से, क्योंकि वो कम रेट पे मिल रहे हैं और ज्यादा अच्छे भी हैं और ज्यादा सेल करके वो अच्छा पैसा कमा सकते हैं. तो दे आर गिविंग इंपॉर्टेंस फॉर चाइनीज टॉयज एंड दे आर इग्नोरिंग द इंडियन गुड्स, इंडियन टॉयज, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लो प्राइस. ओके, दिस इज डिसएडवांटेज फॉर अस. तो यहां हमें ये पता चल रहा है कि बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ग्लोबलाइजेशन there are some disadvantages also and we have to look about that also. ऐसा नहीं कि सारे benefit ही benefit है, there are some negative aspects also and we need to sort out that also. Okay, now the result of the trade, ये जो अभी ट्रेड हुआ, ये जो व्यापार हुआ, इसका क्या रिजल्ट हुआ. Okay, Chinese toys enter Indian market. In comparison to Indian toys, Chinese toys look and work better. Indian markets for Chinese toys increased manifold. It adversely affected the Indian toy market. और इससे किस पे असर पड़ा, हमारे इंडियन मार्केट पे असर पड़ा और इंडियन प्रोड्यूसर थे उनको बेनिफिट नहीं हो पाया. सो दिस इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ द ट्रेड. तो हमें ये पता चल रहा है कि बिकॉज ऑफ ग्लोबलाइजेशन दिस इज वन डिसएडवांटेज द प्रोड्यूसर समटाइम्स फेस. ओके, नाउ बेनिफिट्स फ्रॉम फॉरेन ट्रेड. व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स फ्रॉम फॉरेन ट्रेड्स? बायर्स हैव अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ चॉइस. आज आप मार्केट में अगर जाओगे तो आपके पास वैरायटी ऑफ चीज लेने के लिए. इफ यू गो टू बाय अ सेल फोन, अ मोबाइल फोन, यू विल बी कंफ्यूज्ड कि कौन सा खरीदूं और कौन सा नहीं खरीदूं, बिकॉज देयर इज वाइड ऑफ वैरायटी, लॉट ऑफ वैरायटी. इन क्लोथ्स आल्सो वी हैव लॉट ऑफ वैरायटी. इन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, इन मोटर व्हीकल, देयर लॉट ऑफ varieties we have today, choice we have today. Okay, and this is all possible because of foreign trade. Now prices of similar commodities in concerned countries tend to become equal, and because of this what happens is prices remains same, बिकॉज कॉम्पिटिशन, जहां कॉम्पिटिशन ज्यादा रहेगा वहां पर क्या रहता है, बेनिफिट बायर्स को होता है, बिकॉज प्राइसेस सेम रहेगी और इसका एडवांटेज हमेशा बायर्स को मिलता है. एक तो अच्छी चीज मिल रही है और अच्छे दाम पे भी मिल रही है, दैट इज वेरी एडवांटेजेस. ओके, नेक्स्ट, प्रोड्यूसर्स फेस टफ कॉम्पिटिशन, बट द प्रोड्यूसर्स, especially the small producers, they face tough competition because they cannot compete with the bulk or huge companies, right? Okay, and movement of goods from one country to another country, और इसके वजह से ही because of the foreign trade only the things are traveling from one place to another, चीजें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आ रही हैं. Okay, so these are some benefits of foreign trade. Okay, now difference between foreign trade and foreign investment. So what is the difference between foreign trade and foreign investment? So when we talk about foreign trade, includes buying and selling of goods under an agreement. Foreign trade के अंदर buying and selling of goods होता है. And when we talk about foreign investment, deals with investment in shares and properties on the foreign land. हम दूसरे देश में जाके प्रॉपर्टी, चीजें वगैरह जो भी खरीद रहे हैं, that is called foreign investment. This is a simple difference between foreign trade and foreign investment. Fine. Okay. Next thing we have is the flow of goods and services from one nation to another. In foreign trade, what happens is goods are traveling, they are taken from one place to another place. Okay, promotes integration of markets in different countries, and because of this we think that the whole market is looking same. मतलब क्या है, पूरा मार्केट सेम क्यों दिख रहा है, क्योंकि जो प्रोडक्ट्स उस देश में अवेलेबल है वही प्रोडक्ट्स इस देश में भी अवेलेबल है. सो यू थिंक दैट द मार्केट इज सेम. Integration of markets, the market looks like same because the products are available in every country. Foreign investment on the other side, when we talk about flow of capital from one nation to another, अगर मैं अपने देश से जाके दूसरे देश की चीज खरीद रहा हूं तो what is happening is flow of capital to the other country. Okay, promotes process of industrialization, and because of this what is happening is industrialization is promoted. This is what is happening because of this. Okay, and this is the difference between foreign trade and foreign investment. So let's talk about globalization. Let us understand about globalization. Okay, the last topic of part 1. Okay, so globalization, the base for globalization, rapid increase in foreign investment by MNC. Why this globalization have been possible? Because of the increase in MNCs, multinational companies, corporations, rise in foreign trade among countries. Because of the foreign trade among the countries, a large part of the foreign trade being managed by MNCs, and maximum trade of foreign trade is managed by the multinational corporations, and because of this globalization has been possible. Now I have already told you, when we talk about globalization, I have told you the whole world today has turned into a small market, and this is all possible because of the trade, investment, okay, and because of the multinational corporations. Okay, when we talk about meaning of globalization, process of rapid integration or interconnection between nations. When we talk about globalization, interconnection is the countries are interconnected, interlinked. Okay, they are coming to our countries to trade, we are going to their country to trade. Like this, the whole country are interconnected. Okay, we depend on each other and we have interlinked. Okay, movement of goods, services, investment and technology across countries. Movement of goods, the goods are traveling from one place to another. Services, investment and technology are going from one place to another place. In some countries there are people who are highly English speaking. For example, India, यहाँ पे कॉल सेंटर सेटअप कर दिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल चाइना, वहाँ पे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग चीप है तो वहाँ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेटअप कर दी. यूएसए के अंदर प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन अच्छा होता है तो वहाँ प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन हो रहा है. सो द थिंग्स, सर्विसेज एंड एवरीथिंग इज मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर बिकॉज ऑफ ग्लोबलाइजेशन. Human resource or labors move from one country to another. The labor force is also moving from one place to another place. And if you see today, the topmost CEOs of the companies are from India. Okay, that is a great example I can give you. For example, the CEO of Google, he is also from India. You see the Microsoft, we can see. Okay, there are a lot of examples like this. People are moving from one place to another place. Okay, so the factors which have enabled the globalization. Okay, the factors which have enabled the. So dear students, so in the part 1 this is it, okay. So I request all of you to kindly revise, watch the video completely, and if you don't understand, rewind and watch it again, okay. For now we'll stop here. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a nice day.